Second game of Prime Time. Starring Marlon, Sean, Isaiah, Rex, Ganya, Angelo, Justin, Jean, Sid, and Jomari.
Oo, nakasimula na yun.
Kanina pa, tanga.
Kanina pa gago, nakasayaw.
Binidyo mo pa na ako.
Meron ka doon.
Kanina mo, ikaw nagkakasayaw dyan. Ikaw nag-beat sa sarili mo.
Okay, number 7.
Wallet eh.
Pinasok yung white shirt. White shirt, kinanan. Attempting for a pass, pero they still. Sean dribbling the ball. Other man. Attempting for a 3, no good. Okay, Black Sleeveless. Binigay kay number 33, Easy 2. Easy 2.
Ano sa naman natin ka dati? Ayun yung dahil nakaraan.
Sid Salmonte. Pinasa kay Jomari. Isaiah, attempting for a 3, no good. Okay, football pass. Layo naman. What a nice extra pass by Nicholas. Sean, hawak ang bola. Score 4-0. Lamang ang Team A. Sean, papasok. Nobody attempting for a 3. No good. 2 attempts for the 3-point line. Tapos, Nicholas, pinasay number 3. Extra pass. Extra pass again. Fade away 2. Dapat easy 2.
Galing na po.
6-0 in favor of Team A. Ganya, pinasa kay Sean. Ganya, pinasa kay Isaiah. Bagong chupit yan. Sean, poste. Loose ball. Binigay kay Sleeveless. Sleeveless, extra pass kay Marlon. Pasok! 8-0. Nothing wrong by Team A. Ganya, makakascore naman dito ang Team B. Nahuli na naman. Hinamon yung bola. Pinaliwa. Mga top 2 on rebound. Pinasa kay Sleeveless in the mid-range. Wala. Rebound by Sean. First possession. Nag-contest ang Team A. Jomari, pinasa kay Sid. Sid attempting for a mid-range shot. No good. Rebound by Ganya. Converted through offensive rebound by Ganya. Ganya. 8-2 run in the last 4 minutes. Multiple butter number 7. Sleeveless number 73. Bumangga. Attempting. No good. Foul. Foul goal.
Oh no, I can't go good job. Yeah, something in the city, it's a phone. Yeah, they gon' pull up on me.
Montalban, binigay kay Sleeveless, binigay kay Marlon, at binigay kay Black Shirt. Montalban, number 7, sinasabi kay Marlon, what a play, libre for the mid-range. Another foul attempted sa ilalim. Personal foul by Sid. Inbound pass kay Montalban. Pinasa kay Black Shirt. Montalban, dalawang bumabantay. What a nice deflection by the two. Jomari with a shot by the rebound. Converted through. Offensive rebound. Number 33, extra pass to Sleeveless mid-range. No good. Rebound again by number 33. Pasok. 2 points by number 33. Score po natin 10-4 in favor of Team A. Ganya. And binigay sa gitna kay Sid with the mid-range. No good. Marlon. Ganya pinasa kay Jomari. What a nice pass to Sean sa ilalim with the 3-2. Apat na lang po ang kalamangan. 10-6 ang score.
to the doctor. Be the type of pick the peppers, I can pick the brand, put them all together. We can pop the shade, cause the party all the down, jump the roof forever.
Jomari with the coast to coast with the easy two. 10-8 po ang score. Dalawa na lang po ang kalamangan. Jomari, kaliwa, bumangga, no good. Rebound by Marlon. Binigay kay Montalban. Attempting for a three. Baso! 3 points by number 7. 13-8. Sean, pinasok kay Jomari. Jomari, reading the play. Pinasok sa gilid kay Saya. O kaya, tempting na bumaba. Sean. What a nice pass by Jomari. Paso! What a nice loader. Guys, sa perimeter. Okay, Black Shirt giving the ball, setting the play. Pinasok kay Sleeveless. Sleeveless pinasok kay Marlon. Attempting a fake. Attempting a bumaba. No foul. At yun, Sleeveless pinasok kay Marlon. Pinasok kay number 33. Ang magka. What a tough two. Not a easy two. Fade away sa gitna by number 33. Score po natin. 15-10. Last 6 minutes. Jomari pinasa kay Saya. Attempting for a 3. Paso! 3 points by Saya. Sleeveless with the mid-range. No good. Ganya. Reading the ball. Reading the play. Pinasa ulit kay Saya. 2 for 2. No good. Okay na daw yung isa. Number 33 with a rock. Layup. Ayun. Passing 3 defenders. Score po natin 17-13. Pinasang Isaya. Mid-range. No good. Rebound by Black Shirt. Black Shirt. Pinasang kay number 7. Pinasang ulit. 2 steps. Foul. Third personal foul yata.
Every night, late night.
Si Marlon. Marlon. Puta sa kanan. Sinale. No good. Sige po po. Number 33. Rebound by Ganya. 2 for 1. Dire-diretso. Paso. Coast to coast by Ganya. Score po natin 70-15. 4 minutes and 45 seconds left. Marlon for the mid-range. 4-point play. No good. Jomari pinasa kay Ganya. Masyadong mabilis. Turnover attempted. Out of bounds.
That's why I never ask for help. I do it for the niggas and do it for myself. I go
For 3. Paso!
squad on that real shit.
3 points converted in Blackburn.
Real fucking quick, niggas. 0 to 100.
Okay, Jomari. Sa gitna.
Squad on that real
Zone defense sa harapan. Ganya for 3. No good. Pinasa kay Sleeveless. Sleeveless. Easy layup. Score po natin 22-15. 3 minutes and 45 seconds left. Ito ang kalamangan ng Team A. Makahabol pa yata ang Team B. Isaiah. Pinasa kay Sean. Kaliwa. Side step. No good. Foul call.
I feel to watch another nigga at the top. You know that it's yours and you will be dissing you, dog. Okay, from that perspective, I see what you're talking about. Knowing it's off and that. Cause me, I was trying to find a way out of the matter. Maybe I ain't lose them at all. Maybe I'll keep moving forward and never stagnate.
Lalim. Isaiah. Pinasa kay Ganya for 3.
Searching for the problems.
Paso! 3 points by Ganya. Apat na lang po ang kalamangan. 3 minutes left. Again, 3 minutes left.
Out of bounds.
Score 22-18. Lamang po ng apat ang Team A. Sean hawak ang bola. Attempting ipas sa gitna pero steal. Pinasa kay number 33. With a layup, Pasko. 24-18. Balik po sa 6 ng Kalamangan. Jomari. Dribbling the ball, pinasa gitna. Pero, masyadong palakas. Turnover. Out of bounds. Score po natin, 24-18. 2 minutes left. Again, 2 minutes left. 24-18. Papalagay ba nila ang Kalamangan dito? O another possession by Team B. Okay, even libre for 3. Point. Shakti na full. Okay, technical difficulties. Ayan. Possession by Team A. Ay, Team B. Ganya, dribbling the ball. Makakascore ba sila dito? 6 na lang po ang Kalamangan. Ganya, mid-range. Pasok! 4 na lang po ang Kalamangan. Good. 1 minute and 12 seconds left. 4 lang po ang Kalamangan. Marlon, pinasa by number 33. Pinasa kay Steveness. Mid-range. Rebound by number 33. Grabe, kanina pa yun sa ilalim. Number 33, again, 2 points. Last 50 seconds. Jomari, outside pass by Ganya. Okay, rebound by Sid. Ano po ang Kalamangan? What a nice fake. Pull up, no good. Okay, last 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Hawak po ni number 7. Pinasa kay Steven. Kay Marlon. Attempting sa kanan. Number 33. Extra pass for 3.
That's 50 seconds.
Last 15 seconds. 11, 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game ball. Kamayan po tayo.